Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify for your online store, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Shopify account or creating a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, you will land on the Shopify dashboard. Navigate to the settings located at the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on General to set up your store details. Enter your store name, email address, and address information in the provided fields. Scroll down to configure your store's time zone and currency settings. Save your changes by clicking on the Save button. Next, click on Themes found on the left sidebar. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand aesthetics. If you want to explore more themes, click on the Visit Theme Store link. Once you select a theme, click on Customize to start personalizing it. Now, add your logo by navigating to the header section. Upload the logo file from your computer. Adjust its size as necessary for a perfect fit. Continue to personalize other sections like product pages and homepage as needed. Next, add products to your store by clicking Products on the left sidebar. Select Add Product and fill in all required details including title, description, price, and images. For inventory management, enable the option to track inventory. Save each product once all information is filled out. After adding products, go to the Collections section to organize them. Click Create Collection to group related products together. Provide a title and description, and select the products you want to include. Next, focus on payments by clicking on Settings and then Payments. Choose the gateways you want to enable for transactions. Follow the prompts to connect your Stripe, PayPal, or other payment processors. Head back to the settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Configure your shipping rates based on weight, price, or location. Make sure to save all changes after editing. Next, set up taxes by returning to the settings and selecting Taxes. Configure tax rates based on your location and customer locations. Now, review your store's checkout process by going to Checkout under Settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.